Hello and welcome to what seems like our first vlog in absolutely ages.
Well, it's since February.
Yeah, where were we the last time we went?
Valentine's Fair.
We were, weren't we? And do you know what? We've purposely not been trying to flood the channel with videos that we didn't think that people would want to see, really. So we've kept ourselves safe during lockdown.
We haven't left the house.
And we thought now's the right time, now that things are starting to reopen or make plans to reopen in July. And we've started to sort of assess the things that we did have planned and what that might look like now. So we thought it's the right time to let you know just what we've been getting up to and how our plans for 2020 have changed. So if you're interested in all of that, keep watching the vlog. So firstly, we want to say a massive thank you to all of you that have been watching the channel.
Thank you ever so much.
Yeah, for the last year. So in April, we hit 1 year, basically our anniversary of running this channel. And we had hoped to go back to the place where it all started, which was Alton Towers opening day, but that wasn't to be, was it?
It wasn't, and we were really looking forward to it. So the David Walliams side of it, hopefully staying over, but we'll see what next year brings.
And just doing a big celebration of Time for Adventure's first birthday, really. But a massive thank you to you. We hit around 250 subscribers there in 12 months, which when we started this, it was really to just capture some of our family memories rather than taking photos and then put them online to hopefully inspire some people on where Good Days Out might be. So hopefully it's done that for you. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching and for the support on all the other social media channels as well. We know that a few of you are following us on Instagram, and we've got a Twitter up and running now. So yeah, if you want to check those out, the links are in the description below. But thank you ever so much for supporting the channel.
Would you like to know what I've been getting up to the last couple of months?
We've got a cool way to show you how. Roll VT.
We've moved house! Watering the turf several times a day.
We've been doing lots of gardening.
We've been growing our own different types of tomatoes in the lettuce, which these lovely rabbits love.
We've also been growing our own beautiful flowers.
We've been buying lots of tools and having plenty of time to build lots of new furniture.
And we've been doing plenty of baking. Mummy's garden toweling.
And we've been cutting our own hair.
We've been doing a lot of schoolwork.
We've been getting lots of stuff together to create our own little home studio where we're going to be bringing you future videos and editing all of our vlogs.
I've been teaching myself to play a bit of guitar.
And I've been playing loads of Xbox,
We've been watching lots of TV programmes and movies.
like Big Bang Theory.
And we've just started the Marvel series.
In chronological order. While theme parks are closed, we've been doing our big support by going on the online shops and buying merchandise like these two icon mugs.
And drinking plenty of tea. Cheers!
We finally got round to hanging these up after visiting the Sea Life in London a couple of years ago, and we've just adopted one of these little guys at Chester Zoo. And we've started getting out for little family walks like this, haven't we?
We have, it's been so much fun this family walking.
Just
And
to
the
get,
dogs are loving it.
had a bit of an impromptu stop there for one of the dogs. But yeah, we've just started to get ourselves back out, to get used to being back back outdoors, really.
It is, it's that unknowing feeling of being around people again, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's,
making sure that we can keep distance.
yeah, especially with kids.
And that we feel comfortable being back out, really, whilst we're still in a time
And I think
that's
somewhere like
really
this,
quite worrying.
which is basically like a zoo or somewhere outdoors, you can maintain that social distance, and that's what I'm going to do right now.
So if you're not spotted where we are, or well, I say if you're not spotted where we are, I suppose you'd only know about it if you were local to where we live. Basically, this is Temple Newsome, and it's got some lovely little walks. You can sort of go up and through the hill, lots of
You
flowers
can.
to see,
And
and there's a little temple up there.
there is, and on a normal, whatever you call normal, there is actually a farm that you can go in and feed and see all the animals. Unfortunately, that is closed at the moment, but the walks are still brilliant.
Oh, they are. I mean, there are some sort of stunning plants to see around here. There's a nice little river that runs through and a little walk
There's a nice
over
little
it.
flower garden. Well, I say little, it's huge, if I'm honest. Flower garden.
And then there's a big main house which you've not seen, but it is behind us. So yeah, definitely recommend it for a walk.
And if people don't know, it used to host a party in the park.
It did. We've
Years
actually
ago.
sat on these fields here.
We watched Diversity as well, didn't we?
We did Dizzy Rascal
Yeah.
and lots of other people that appeared at Party in the Park.
That was
And
like
actually, before then, it used to host a Leeds Festival actually, before it moved
Years
up
ago.
to Wetherby. Yeah, so where you got Leeds and Reading Festival, this place used to be the host of Leeds. So as you can see, we've been getting up to lots and lots of stuff. Even though we've not been able to get out and record some of the vlogs and go to the theme parks and like zoos and other attractions that we might enjoy, we've been getting up to plenty of stuff, haven't we?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite thing you've done during lockdown, Charlie? What's been your favourite thing to do?
Going on walks.
Oh, Charlie's enjoyed the walks, which we just started doing, by the way.
Moving house.
George has enjoyed the house move. I'm not sure I'd do it again, Ali.
No, I think I've enjoyed the house move too, and just, you know what, it's silly as it might sound, is being at home with family. It's been so nice spending lots of time with them, so I've enjoyed that the most.
Yeah, I didn't, and I'd second that really. The extra time that we've had at home just to spend as a family has been really, really nice. And the final thing we've been doing, which we can share with you now really, is we've started to re-look at our plans for 2020. Unfortunately, the summer road trip, the European summer road trip, which we've looked forward to for so long, is postponed, isn't it?
It is. With good reason.
Yeah, absolutely. But we're going to push that back into hopefully summer of 2021 now. And we're basically replacing that with supporting UK theme parks and other attractions.
Not just theme parks.
No, so we've got zoos and wildlife parks, and ideally some of the smaller places as well. So there's a couple down, I want to say in the southwest, towards Devon that we've never got to that we've wanted to before, and Oakwood in Wales and things. Some of the places that we actually mentioned in that big 2020 vlog that we did all the way back in January, February.
Yeah, I think it's February, Blackpool, yes.
Yeah. So we're going to get around and support the UK theme parks when they reopen and once we feel that it's safe to do so. Because we're going to take a bit of time, watch how they're getting. Charlie's yawning already.
It's been a long day.
We're going to take a bit of time, watch how the theme parks are operating and the zoos and all the other attractions, see how they're managing to cope with social distancing, and if we feel that that's right, then we're going to get ourselves back out there and support some of these UK places. And that all starts actually next weekend. We just booked our first tickets to go anywhere next weekend, haven't we?
We have. Where are we going, boys?
Yorkshire Wildlife Park.
Yeah.
For Father's Day.
Yeah, we are. Yes, it's a Father's Day treat, but it took ages to order the tickets.
If you've tried to order tickets, you are about 2,800 people behind in the queue, and you're waiting a couple of hours at least.
Definitely. So I think we logged onto the site about 10 o'clock this morning. We didn't finish purchasing our tickets till about 1 o'clock this afternoon. So it's a big wait, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be worth it.
Yeah. We've never taken you on a trip to Yorkshire Wildlife Park before. It is somewhere that we absolutely love going as a family. We didn't get there last year, but these places actually really need your support, and we're glad to be going there next Sunday. And we'll be, of course, sharing it with you probably in 2 weeks' time. And yeah, I mean, on the subject of sort of wildlife parks and zoos, Chester Zoo's one that we actually shared on our social media platforms, didn't we? And we recently adopted a penguin at Chester Zoo, didn't we, to help them?
Then we can see him.
Yeah, that's right. But we did that to help them raise much needed funds to keep Chester Zoo going.
Again, somewhere where we love, and we felt that we needed to support them.
Yeah, absolutely. That place really does need saving. It's such an amazing day out, and we'll be getting there at some point this year. Somewhere else we're hoping to get to next week is Alton Towers, but the rides aren't open yet, but we're hoping to have a walk around the Alton Towers gardens, aren't we?
Yeah. We are. I mean, we have really, truly missed Alton Towers this year, haven't we?
A place that we go so much, and whilst it's not our most local park, we consider it our home park, don't we? We've been going for years, and we go a lot to Alton Towers. We absolutely love the place.
I mean, we did that. Unfortunately, we didn't get for bonfire, so unbeknown to us last year, Halloween Scarefest was our last visit of the last season. And then obviously we've waited so long, and it'll be so good to get back there, even just to see the rides being tested and just to see everything.
But yeah, so anyway, we are going to keep you updated from now on with the stuff that we're going to be getting up to once we've firmed up plans for the summer, because we're still waiting to see what happens with hotels, what dates some parks are opening, because there are some that are considering staying closed until next year. So yeah, we'll have to let you know the sort of firmed up plans a little later in the summer, but we do plan to do it all in this country, and we will be keeping you updated. It's
been a crazy year so far. 2020 has brought a lot of ups and a lot of downs.
Yeah, and a lot of changes, hasn't it?
Yeah, and we don't know where that's going to lead us this season. But, you know, we love you following us. We appreciate it.
And we hope you're all staying safe and well. We've just literally stayed in the house and really taken a lot of precautions to make sure we're safe and healthy. And we hope that all of you who watch our vlogs are doing the same, really. We hope you are all well and all your families are well. And and hopefully, like us, you'll be looking to, well, trying to get back to some kind of normality,
Just
really.
to be
as
able
things
to get
start
out
to
of the
reopen.
house, yeah. It'll be nice just to have a day out or an afternoon out somewhere.
Yeah, and if we can help by taking you along to some of the places that we go, then you know we're all for it. So we're going to be taking the camera out with us and heading out to some fantastic places over the next few weeks. I think that's it really. We've let you know what we've been getting up to, some of our changing plans. I think we just need to say thank you again, don't we, for all the support
Yeah.
on the channel. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you're interested in getting a bit more of up-to-date info on what we're doing or maybe where we are, Instagram's certainly a good place for that. We do take little snaps as we're going, and we will be doing as we start heading back out on the road. And we do have a Twitter as well. Again, the links are in the section below. And that's us. That's a wrap, really. So the next time we see you will be when we're on location at Yorkshire Wildlife Park.
Can't wait!
I really can't wait. So until then, we will see you next time.
Bye.